Next idiom is large factories benefit from economies of scale. This expression refers to the economic principle where increasing the scale of production leads to lower average cost per unit. Essentially, the bigger the operation, the more cost-efficient it can become. This concept became prominent during the late 19th century's Industrial Revolution, heavily discussed by economists like Alfred Marshall. It explains why large manufacturers can often offer products at lower prices than smaller ones. Let's explore how this principle works with a couple of examples. First, consider a major car manufacturer can buy raw materials in bulk, leading to significant economies of scale. Here, buying vast quantities of steel, rubber, or electronics allows the manufacturer to negotiate lower prices per unit, a direct benefit of their large-scale purchasing power. Our second example is, for software companies, developing a product once and selling it to millions demonstrates clear economies of scale. Once the initial high development cost is covered, each additional copy sold has a very low marginal cost, making large-scale distribution extremely profitable. Both examples vividly illustrate how expanding operations can dramatically reduce average costs.
While economies of scale describes the outcome of reduced costs from increased production, related phrases like bulk purchasing or cost efficiency focus on specific aspects or goals. Bulk purchasing is a method that contributes to economies of scale, specifically in input costs. Cost efficiency is a general goal of many business strategies, which economies of scale help achieve. Use economies of scale when discussing the strategic advantages of large-scale operations across the entire production process, rather than just one part. To recap, large factories benefit from economies of scale, highlights how increasing production volume leads to lower per-unit costs and greater efficiency. This foundational economic principle, recognized since the Industrial Revolution, explains the competitive advantage of larger entities. Remember, understanding this concept helps explain pricing strategies and market dynamics. So, the next time you see a large company offering products at surprisingly low prices, you'll know that economies of scale are likely at play. I'll see you next time with another great expression.